Hi everyone! Today I will be showing you 2 ways to cold laminate your stickers. I have here 10 sheets of assorted designs cold laminates. If you like a specific design, we also sell them in packs of 5 or 10 sheets. And for bulk orders, we offer wholesale packs of 25, 50, and 100 sheets. So, I know you're here to learn how to cold laminate your stickers. Let's get started. Method 1. Manual cold laminating using a vinyl squeegee. This method is perfect for beginners who want to make waterproof stickers without investing in a machine. Just a heads up, this process takes some practice, so don't worry if it's tricky at first. The more you do it, the better you'll get. Choose your cold laminate design. I'll be laminating a whole sheet. If you're using a cutting machine with registration marks, I recommend not covering the marks with laminate. Some machines might not detect them due to reflections. So now, we peel around 1 inch of the laminate. Now, let's peel around 1 inch of the cold laminate. We now stick it on top or the middle of your sticker sheet. Using your squeegee or vinyl squeegee, press firmly to remove any bubbles. Slowly peel down the backing while smoothing the laminate over the sticker. Continue until you cover the whole sheet, making sure that there are no bubbles on the surface. And that's it. Let's move on to the method 2, using a cold laminating machine. This method is faster and great for bulk laminating. Now, we start by sticking the laminate. Just like before, peel about 1 inch and place it on top of the sticker. Feed it into the machine. Turn on your cold laminating machine and set it to cold mode. Unlike hot laminators, no waiting time is needed. Simply feed the sheet through and the machine will apply even pressure to the laminate smoothly. And there you have it, 2 easy ways to cold laminate your stickers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more sticker making tips. Let me know in the comments which method do you prefer. Also, check out our shop Nana Paper Studio for all your cold laminates, waterproof sticker papers, and more DIY crafting supplies. See you in the next video!